Hello Madeira families, it's Kenji Matsudo, Superintendent at Madeira City Schools, and we are all ready to our second Madeira Family Fun Night. It's actually tomorrow, Thursday, November the 20th, and we are sending your kids home without any homework tomorrow so that you can spend time as a family doing family things. Go for a walk, go bowling, make a meal together, play a game together, do anything other than homework tomorrow night. These are our intentional times as parents to be with our kids and make family memories. And we want you to do that tomorrow. Now, if you can do us a favor and send us a pic of your family fun night at familyfun@madeiracityschools.org, we would love to capture your moment and send it back in a short district-wide video. We're hopeful that you'll join us tomorrow for Madeira Family Fun Night. And as always, go Madeira.